Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a Sriracha Chicken Noodles. So let's get started. Heat oil. First in onions. Chinese food is already fast. Doesn't take really long to make. Everything is done from medium to high flame. Quick throw in steaming, toss it and you're done. Once the onion starts becoming pink, throw in your garlic. That in a little bit of chopped ginger. Then go in my vegetables, some carrots, some beans. Throw in a little bit more oil. Now I'm going to throw in some chicken, minced chicken in this. So now I'm just breaking this down, my chicken that is in this. Reduce the heat just slightly. Chicken's cooked. It doesn't take really long to cook minced chicken. And now I'm going to add in my seasoning. Some sugar, cracked pepper and salt. That was vinegar, some soy sauce and then some Sriracha. And I'm just going to mix all of this. And now I'm going to add in my noodles. Now one thing you have to remember guys, when you boil noodles, when you put it to boil, first of all, again like I said, the center, it should be a little raw. It shouldn't be cooked all the way. Add a few drops of oil in the water and a pinch of salt. Once you're done boiling the noodles, take them out and strain them under cold water. As soon as they're out, strain them under cold water, put some oil and then let it be. That basically the noodles don't stick if you oil the noodles. The same thing is with pasta. Done guys. And I'm just going to throw in a little bit of spring onion on top, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And keep watching Desi Bites. Hello, what's up everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. The festival of Holi is right around the corner and for that we have a kick-ass dessert which is Kesar Rabdi. For this, first our hot plate to be on. We'll take a liter of milk, 1 full liter in the pan. Now the basic thing for rabdi is if you're taking a liter, you have to reduce it by half over a period of 40 to 45 minutes. So this is a little trick that has been taught to me by my chef in college. So while you're making rabdi, all you can do is put a wooden spoon while the milk is boiling, which will prevent the milk to touch the bottom of the pan. So you also have to constantly keep stirring. So don't forget to do that. And basically your milk has to start simmering. So keep on stirring the milk in a clockwise motion. And once your milk has started simmering, before it reaches the boiling point, you reduce the heat to a minimum and then let the milk reduce for a good 40 to 45 minutes to get the right consistency for a. Okay guys, the milk has reduced. So right now, even if it seems a little too thin, don't worry about the consistency because once it cools down, it will become thicker. Okay, now to this I'm going to add sugar. Please add sugar according to taste. And now I'm just going to add a touch of saffron essence in the rabdi. And now in this, you can add cardamom if you want, you can add almonds, if you want to add pistachios, you could do that, make your own little variation. And this is ready. So just going to let it cool down a little bit. Keep stirring it, take it off the thing, keep stirring it a little bit. Let it cool down and then we'll transfer it to the bowl. And now we're going to garnish this with some saffron on top. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to try this at home and also don't forget to play a safe and have a happy Holi. All of you. See you guys.